Bring a little flair to your vaping experience with the GeekVape Flint MTL kit. This stick-style kit is quite the head turner, and dare I say, a pretty cool setup to boot. Already think the Flint is a steal? Get it? Well then head on over to Vape Wow by checking the link in the top right corner. First off, look at this thing. It's probably the stubbiest stick mod I've ever laid eyes on, coming in at 93 millimeters tall. And that includes the tank. This is a great discreet mod, or perfect if your hands are extra tiny. No shade to tiny-handed people. Even at this diminutive size though, it's rocking a 950 mAh battery to keep you keeping on. Outside of that, it has the typical outfitting of an internal battery stick mod that you come to expect, and that's not exactly a bad thing. Packing those features in such a small mod is kinda cool. But let's talk tank and coils. The Flint MTL tank has a 2 milliliter juice capacity, which is plenty for the saltiest of nicks, and has a slide to open top fill design. There's a single hole adjustment airflow at the bottom with 5 settings. My first thought in seeing that? Boo. My thoughts after vaping it? Well, damn, okay buddy, I see you. Couple that with a 1.6 ohm NS coil inside made specifically for nick salt and an MTL experience, and I found myself happily surprised with the experience I had with it. This tiny mod ticks all the right boxes in terms of portability, ease of use, and flavor production, so in short, pun intended, methinks you should get the GeekVape Flint MTL kit today. Not yesterday, not tomorrow, now. Like right now. Like what are you doing with your life? Do it. Come on.
Idiot, you should get the mod today, 'cause Batu said that it's okay. Bye bye.